Good morning, children. My name is C.H. Pratyusha, English Department of Kakatiya Public School. So today I am going to teach tenses for you. So, tenses we can say in one word, that is time. Tenses means we can say in that one word, that is time. And tense definition means tense denotes a time of an action done. Tense denotes a time of an action done. Here tenses are divided into three types. Tenses are divided into three types: present tense, past tense, future tense. What? Tenses are divided into three types. First tense is present tense, second one is past, and third one is future. So today I am going to explain only about present tense. In present tense mainly divided into four types. Mainly divided into four subtenses. So first subtense is simple present tense definition. Simple present tense. Simple present tense definition: it shows daily works, universal truth and habitual action. It shows universal truth, habitual action. It shows universal truth, habitual action. Then structure of simple present tense is subject plus V1 SRES plus object. Structure of simple present tense is nothing but subject plus V1 SRES plus object. Then when we use V1 SRES and when we use only V1, now I will show you. When subject is singular noun or he, she, it. When subject is singular noun or he, she, it, we use V1 SRES. Then second point, when subject is plural noun or they, we, you, I, we use V1. See here once again, when subject is singular noun or he, she, it, we use V1 SRES. And when subject is plural noun or they, we, you, I, we get only V1. Let us see some more examples. So first I am taking the example by using V1 or SRES. So what we can use? He, she, it or singular noun. So I am using here Ramu. Ramu is he. Ramu is singular noun and Ramu is belongs to he pronoun. So Ramu eats an apple. Ramu eats an apple. So here Ramu is pronoun and subject also. Ramu is pronoun and subject. Eats is V1 SRES and apple is object. Here instead of noun we can use pronouns also. He, she, it. And then second example, I am using only V1 and I am taking pronouns. They play a cricket. They play a cricket. So here there is subject and play is only V1 and cricket is object. Why I used here only V1? Because there is plural pronoun or plural noun. Then now second substance in present tense is nothing but present continuous tense. Definition of present continuous tense: it shows an action which is going on now. Once again I am repeating the definition. It shows an action which is going on now. Then say the structure. Structure for present continuous tense is nothing but subject plus am, is, the are plus V4 plus object. Structure is nothing but subject plus am, is, are plus V4 plus object. See here, when we use am, when we use is, and when we use are. So I am telling explanation of am, is, are helping words. So when subject is I, we use am. When subject is I, we use am. And when subject is, we use he, she, it. When the subject is he, she, when the subject is he, she, it, we use is. And when subject is we, they, you. When subject is we, they, you, we use are. So when subject is I, we use am. When subject is he, she, it, we use is. When subject is we, they, you, we use are. So let us see some more examples on this. So first I am taking the example of I. I am eating a mango. I am eating a mango. Here I is subject and eating is V4 and mango is object. And second example, he is writing a letter. He is writing a letter. Here instead of he we can use nouns also. Instead of he we can use nouns also. See here he is subject and writing is V4 and letter is object. And third example I am using are helping verb. We are playing a cricket. We are playing a cricket. Here instead of we can use pronoun. We can use nouns also. Instead of we can use nouns also. So here we is subject and playing is V4 and cricket is object. So now I am explaining about third subtense, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Definition of present perfect tense is nothing but it talks about an action that began in past but has just been completed. Once again I am repeating the definition. It talks about an action that began in past but has just been completed. Then structure I am writing. Structure of present perfect tense is nothing but subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. Structure is nothing but subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object. Then when we use have, when we use has, so I am writing has we use when subject is he, she, it. When subject is he, she, it, we use has. And when subject is have, when subject is they, we, you, I. When subject is they, we, you, I, we use have. When subject is he, she, it, we use as. And instead of these pronouns, we can use nouns also. Instead of these pronouns, we can use nouns also. So I am writing the examples. First example, I am using has and he. He has written a letter. He has written a letter. Here he is subject and written is V3 and letter is object. I wrote first example, he has written a letter. In that he is subject and written is V3 and letter is object. Then now I am using second example by using have. So you have bought a car. Second example, you have bought a car. Here you is subject and bought is V3 and car is object. Now I am explaining about fourth subtense, that is nothing but present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense definition is nothing but it used to express an action which is began in past but still now continuous. Once again I am repeating the definition. It used to express an action which is began in past but still now continuous. Now structure I am writing. Structure is nothing but subject plus as or have been plus before plus object. Subject plus as have been plus before plus object. Then when we use have been, when we use has been, when subject is he, she, it. When subject is he, she, it, we use has been. When subject is he, she, it, we use has been. And when subject is they, you, we, I, we use have been. When subjects are they, you, we, I, we use have been. Here instead of pronouns we can use nouns also. Instead of pronouns we can use nouns also. I am writing the examples by using nouns. Sita has been eating a mango. Sita has been eating a mango. Here Sita is she and subject. Sita is also subject and eating is before and mango is object. Then second example. Here also I am using two names. Sonu and Monu. Sonu and Monu have been buying a car. Sonu and Monu have been buying a car. Here Sonu and Monu belongs to they. Here and Sonu and Monu subject and buying is before and car is object. Yes children, up to now we discussed about present tense and four subtenses. In the present tense we have four subtenses: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. You read the structures of four subtenses and you answer the blanks whatever I gave in the worksheet. Thank you.